The nearer I draw to death, the closer he draws to me. Serve them, little sister, as he loves us. One brother's final breath ignites one princess's mission. From palace to plague ward, from famine to forgiveness, a new path is forged. Part 1, The Call of Mercy, is now streaming on YouTube. Faith is shared, not hoarded. Witness a journey of transformation. Every mile, every meal, every mercy, a legacy of love begins with one step. Faith isn't something you inherit. It's something you live, one act of mercy at a time. Find peace in the chaos with us. Subscribe to Mystica's Garden of Serenity, Faith and Hope for new episodes every week. From this garden to yours. Thank you for watching.